Here's an aerial view of the home from the front and the back. Here we have a street view. Take a quick peek around the neighborhood. And now heading up the drive. Nice long paver drive. Peek at the landscaping. Those are quaking aspen trees. And heading into the entrance here. A quick look around. This is what it looks like from the front of the home. And from here we go inside. This is the entranceway. It's a split floor plan. So over in this area is the guest quarters. We'll come back and take a look at that. We're going to go down this hallway into the great room here. Now this is an open concept kitchen, dining room, and great room. You see the kitchen island and the appliances, cabinetry. You back into the great room. Here's the dining room. Behind the chair there is a slider, so that goes out to the backyard, which is a nice feature. You can open up both sliders and kind of open the whole home if you're entertaining, have a indoor-outdoor event. From here, we're going to go back down this hallway to the guest quarters. And there's a bedroom to my right here. There's a bathroom. This is the first guest bedroom. And heading down the hall to my left is a full bath. And here's the second guest bedroom. Peek inside the walk-in closet here. Nice size for a guest bedroom. Now heading back up, and go take a look at the master suite, which is to the right here. And the master bedroom. Little extra space there for a small desk. Here's the ensuite master bath, sunken tub and shower. Potty closet around the corner there. There's one sink. There, take a look at the shower. We're heading into the walk-in closet here. And a view of the other vanity and sink. And from here, we're going to head through to the laundry room. Some extra extra storage space in here. And then into the garage. The 2-car garage got a little extra space up front. And from here, we're going to take a look at the backyard. Nice big porch that's slightly elevated. Gives you a nice view of the mountains behind the home here. All nicely decked. This is winter right now, so these rose bushes don't look like too much, but here's some shots of the same when it was spring and everything was blooming. Lots and lots of roses and flowers. Bloom well in the spring. Here's a view with a different lens so you can see the mountains better instead of the wide-angle lens. Really quite a nice view. And that's it.